Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm glad you clicked on this video and I hope you watch it until the end.
I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
On today's video, I'll be cleaning my room and I started off by stripping the bed. I removed the duvet cover and the mattress cover first, then I started dusting the surfaces.
Eyes wide open, holding out for you. Tell me that it's true. Oh, did you notice? I saw you over there, looking like a heartbreaker. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
As I was wiping my makeup table, I decided to move all my perfumes on top of my chest of drawers because they looked too crowded on one place.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping just get by in life before we die. I will never sing.
In the meantime, I prefer all my perfumes to stay in their boxes as I look for a presentable organizer that will fit all of them.
Days are slip away sometimes when pressure holds too tight. Only I can make up my mind and override the fight. I've been patient, waiting for an answer, contemplating. Didn't get me any closer to the reason why I feel the need to do it
I have been moving these clothes from my bed every day as I go to sleep, but now I just decided to arrange them. Do you guys have those lazy days that you don't feel like doing anything? Clearly, this was one of those weeks for me. If you do not have a reliable brand that sells nice bras, let me plug you to where I get mine. It's called Titi. Their shop is located in town at HH Tower's basement. They will measure your correct size and even show you how to wear your bra correctly. I also love their customer services. This is not even a paid ad, guys. Try them and get their quality bras. When making my bed, I always start with a mattress protector, then a fitted bed sheet. I also love to add a bed sheet before the duvet. After how long do you guys wash your duvets? I wash mine every 2 to 3 months, but I wash my bed sheets and duvet covers every week.
For walking out on us, or am I losing touch? Too many games, now all our chips are lost.
I loved the outcome of my bed, so cozy and warm. The duvet cover set is from Zenitex Interiors.
I open my eyes. Tonight I feel like waking to life. Tonight I feel like waking up. Tonight I feel like waking Now here we stand and hover on the edge. We're just a drop in time. I feel like I gave you every breath I had. Even forgave your crimes. I open my
At this point, I was so tired, so I decided to clean my bathroom off camera, and I just showed you guys as I vacuumed.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, follow you to carry on. I've been seeing farther in dark skies, bringing with the fire not for time. Following my heart into mine, show you how I play my part. Ghosts in the night don't justify the love we lost, the love we hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I follow you to carry.
Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and I hope you stick around and subscribe too. Bye.